Hello, everyone. This is Calvin Russell, CEO and founder of 850 Club Credit Consultation. Hope everyone's doing well today. Today, we're going to talk about understanding grace periods. All right, let's go straight into it. Now, not every company has a grace period, but most do. Okay. For those who don't know, a grace period is when, let's say, for example, a bill is due, the payment's due on, let's say, the 15th, and that company has a 10-day grace period. That means you have between the 15th and the 25th to actually make the payment. Now, just because there's a grace period doesn't necessarily mean that there won't be, a late fee, because technically it's late, but at the same time, we're not going to, make things a lot difficult. In most cases, that's the whole point of having the grace period, is so you don't get a late fee. And then after the grace period is over, then you're going to have to, they're more than likely going to give you a late fee. But some companies don't give late fees. Some companies don't necessarily have, extended amounts of, grace periods. Some companies have a 1 day, some have a 3 day, a 5 day, a 10, a 15, a 20. It just really depends on how long they want to wait till they get their money. And a lot of people finesse that. Then essentially they just always make their payments on the grace period. The problem is that sometimes people will get the grace period mixed up with like a payment exception or payment arrangement. Okay, let's go ahead and go into that. So let's say, for example, the payment's due on the 15th. And you have a 10-day grace period. So you have between the 15th and the 25th. Now, but let's say, for example, you don't have the money or you're not able to pay them until the following month, but not until, let's say, the following month on, let's say, the 17th. So not only are you 30 days late, okay, but now, because again, you're 30 days late. So things to expect. You're going to expect that you're out of the grace period, obviously, expect a late fee, and expect for them to report it to the credit bureaus. That's what people forget. Credit bureaus are only interested, credit reports in general, it's the same thing essentially, but they will only report a payment being late if it has been 30 days. Now, the credit bureaus don't ask the creditors. The creditors report the information to the credit bureaus, okay? And most creditors, not state of Illinois, but in the United States in general, they only report a late payment, or it's only considered late when it's 30 days late. Not necessarily when you're 1 day late, not necessarily when you're past the grace period. It's normally when you are 30 days late. Now, some companies like American Express, they don't necessarily, American Express charge cards. And there are other companies as well, too, very similar. And if you have business accounts, things of that sort, they don't necessarily deem things late until it's like 60 days late or 55 days and things of that sort. But again, if you want to know, and if you're in a position where you think you may just be late, don't just be like, oh, well, I'm just going to be late. I'll make it when I can. No, you might be able to squeeze that in. A lot of times you'd be surprised. Again, asking questions, communication is key. OK, but just because, let's say, for example, in that same scenario, just because you call them and you say, hey, listen, is it okay if I make the payment? Today's the 15th, right? Let's say today's the 15th of, let's say, December, right? And then the payment is, let's say, for example, the payment is due December 15th, but you're not able to make the payment until January 17th. You give them a call and they say, oh, yeah, that's not a problem at all. We'll make a payment arrangement for you, and we'll even waive the late fee. Again, now they are cool as a company that you are paying them as a company, okay? And then, of course, they understand that, hey, this is going to be 32 days late, and we know we're okay with receiving that money 32 days late. It's no problem at all. That does not mean or guarantee that they're not going to tell the credit bureaus, because they still have to abide by whatever they are going to end up doing. Now, it just depends. Some companies are real strict on that. And then some companies are kind of loose on that, okay? Because they understand that things happen, but at the same time, it's like, listen, you're 30 days late, we're going to report it. We don't mind you paying us 30 days late, but at the same time, we still have to report this to the credit bureaus or whatever they feel that they think that they have to do. But again, at least you're prepared, because you're not confusing a grace period, with a payment arrangement. Okay. Again, some companies may be okay with the fact that you're paying them at whatever date that you're telling them, hey, it's okay for me to pay, or or whatever. Don't assume anything, but ask these questions. Say, hey, are you okay with it, and will you report this to the credit bureaus? And then they say, oh, well, we still have to report this to the credit bureaus. At least now. So again, you guys know what I always say. Don't be surprised. be prepared. If you like this video, like it. You want to share it. And as always, be sure to subscribe as we have nothing but great content on the way. Thank you all so much. Have a great day.